Today I'm revealing my entire crypto and stock portfolio, worth over 40,000 euros. I'll explain how I built this starting with just 500 euros and why I've shifted some profits from stocks into crypto. Let's dive in. Let's start with my crypto portfolio on Kraken. Right now it's worth $23,400, but here's the breakdown. $6,000 is still in fiat, ready to invest when the next big opportunity arises. The remaining $17,400 is invested in cryptocurrencies, like Flare, Polkadot, and so on. But why do I keep $6,000 in cash? Because the crypto market is highly volatile, and having cash on hand lets me buy during major dips, exactly where the big gains happen. Crypto is my growth play. With the market still far from its all-time highs, I believe this is where the highest potential lies in the coming years. So now I've decided we move to the charts, and I will show you how I decide which coins I buy and what are my thoughts behind this. I will start with Algo, and here you can see I always go to the monthly chart first with a blank chart. Then I will look where was the all-time low, and at Algo it's obviously here. And then I always wait until this all-time low is broken. At least I wait until a major low is broken, but here it's too far away from the bottom. So I decided to wait until the major low is broken because it's so much liquidity down here. And it's always the same. Whereas the highest risk is also the highest reward. And when you see here, it's at about 10 cents and 0 is here. So there is not much downside. But the upside is around 2,700% to the all-time highs. So if it goes to 0, okay, I lose this investment, but if it goes up, it really goes. And here you can see after I bought, here the green arrow is where I bought it, on Kraken, so it's real. You can see it was up around 270% after a few months. Then at the top now it was around 600%, and right now it's still 400%. Here you can see the difference. When someone gets FOMO while it's driving up, then he's only up, let's say he bought here because he gets FOMO at this big candle. Then he's only up 100% from here, where I'm up 400%. And it's also making a huge difference when you look at the all-time high. When I buy here, let's say we go to here, it's around 700%. But from here to here, it's 2,000%. So that's a huge difference. I always think when you invest with small money, what I am doing with like 500 euros or 250 euros, sometimes 1,000 euros, especially when I started with a low amount of money, it's very, very important that you buy at the best opportunities when the blood is on the streets and nobody else wants to buy it. Then next one, it's Velo. It's the very same procedure as with Algo. I go to the monthly time frame and I see the all-time low is here. The all-time low is cleared, and I was very lucky. No, I wasn't lucky, because if I have seen this here, I would have bought it anyways and then rebought the way down. But the first time I saw this coin, it was down here after this pump, and I bought in here because I thought, wow, the upside potential here is really, really crazy. And you can see it's the same principles like with Algo. Right now the coin is at 2.3 cents. I bought it at 2.5 cents. So I'm up around 1,000% here. And I had the same thinking like with Algo. Down here is 0. We are here. The upside is crazy. And when I show it from the prices I bought to the all-time high, it's around 70,000%. That's really, really crazy. And from where I bought to the first real resistance at around 30 cents, let's make 30 cents, it's also 11,800%. That's crazy. And this is where the same principles comes into play. Because when somebody gets FOMO around here, when this big monthly candle goes up and he buys in here because everybody says $1 next and so on, and he buys until 30 cents, it's 1/10 of my profits. It's 1,250. It's still a crazy gain, but this profits 1,000% is the same as I did from here to here. Here you can see it's 1,300%. Here it's I'm still up around 800%. I put only 250 USDT in down here, and I have over 3,000 around here, and now I have like 2k or 2.5k in here. And Willow is one of my favorite coins because the fundamentals are very strong. It's called the XRP of Asia because some banks in Asia already using this as a payment method. So this is something I want to hold out. I will close my first profits around 30 cents, and then I will look what move is going to be next. And then I will have a look, is there a pullback where I can buy in again, or does it go all the way up? Also, if you're wondering why I showed this chart on my trading view and not on my Kraken where I can show you where I bought, it's a simple reason because Willow isn't listed on Kraken. I had to bought it somewhere else, and there you can see where you bought, and they also don't have real charts. And the third one I will show you on Kraken again, it's OMG. Here, same principle like before, I mark out the all-time low. It's wiped, and then I bought in here on the second monthly candle that was below the all-time low. This is actually also how I search coins when I don't have them on the watch list before. I just look which coin is trading below the all-time low right now. And here we have also huge upside targets, like it goes to $13 again, it's 6,000%, and also around here it's 600%, it's 1,100%. So all these stocks where I bought them, you don't have to look for the all-time highs to make huge gains. Here you can see it's a area of resistance here. It was rejected a few times, and here it was support. So I actually can close this position around here with 1,000% plus. So that's crazy. And what I want to show you with this is just, it's all about where you buy. If I bought in this pump around here, yes, I would have made 100% with this move. But would I have sold here when everybody tells you they want to be millionaires after this move and something, and they tell you it will be from a move from 8.6 to $86 or $860? That's crazy. When these numbers comes into play, you always have to think about selling, because this is when all the retails are in and want to get millionaires. Where you have to buy is down here when nobody wants it, that you can sell when the huge euphoria comes in. The next thing I want to show you today is my stocks portfolio, which I have on Trade Republic. Here you can see right now it's around 16,883 euros. I'm 118% in profit. It's around 9,100 euros. Here you can see my current holdings, whereas PayPal the biggest position, and then Block, Shopify, Alibaba, and so on. You can see it yourself, of course. Here are some stocks that are in drawdown, especially Teladoc and Canopy Growth. They are two where I bought in with a bigger size that are in a huge loss. And down here I have some gambles. I don't care about them. I didn't put much money in it. These are some stocks where I say, okay, if they move, they move. If not, they are dead. They are dead. I really don't care about them. Canopy Growth, I think it will have a comeback, and Teladoc, I actually also think so. And if not, yes, it is what it is. When you see my stocks right now, you probably wonder how I gained such a huge sum. That's because I already sold Palantir completely. I've bought it at the very bottom. I have around 700 to 800% profit with it. I sold Tesla entirely. I sold Apple entirely. I sold Amazon entirely. These were my huge positions that I sold completely. In the next video, I will show you some of these, why I bought them, why I hold them, where I will sell them. but for now, for this video, it will get too long. Today I showed you my two biggest portfolios. First, my main crypto portfolio on Kraken, and the second one was my main stocks portfolio on Trade Republic. The next time I will show you my 4 other portfolios. Of course, my meme portfolio, which is highly volatile, and 3 other smaller crypto portfolios. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see next or which assets from my portfolio you'd like me to analyze. Let's grow together.